So today we have a case from Clayco, the Xenon for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a case from Clayco, the Xenon case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this is the case right here. It's a two-piece case. The back portion of it's a soft, very soft matted TPU. Kind of like the feel of this. It has a fake carbon fiber design there on the top and the bottom. But without further ado, let's go ahead and place this on the phone. You do have a built-in screen protector here, but I'm pretty sure you can pop that out if needed to. So you place the phone in the front portion of the case like this. You can remove the front portion of this, but I'm not going to remove this. And you just kind of slip the back portion around the front tray there and kind of snap it in place, and it fits very, very nice and snugged. Feels very good, actually. It feels pretty good in hand, very nice and matted, very soft to the touch. It adds for added grip. It does not, it keeps a very slim profile considering the protection it offers. Very, very slim profile there. The cutout on the top is nice and precise. Let's see if you can kind of zoom in on there. Bam, nice and precise. 100% covered buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive. The buttons are very responsive, no issues with the buttons. And the bottom cutouts are nice and precise. Also, S Pen easily accessible, no issues with that. Nothing on the left side of the phone. You do have a lip on the back protecting those camera lenses, so if you lay your phone on its back flat on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch them up. And you do have lip protection here on the bottom and the top of the phone, so you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch that screen. And you do have very minimal edge protection here. I'm not going to say it is protruding just a little bit, so if it does fall, it is going to try to protect that corner there. And this thing is wireless compatible, wireless charging compatible. You can charge through the case wirelessly, but if you don't like the built-in screen protector, you can always remove it and just keep the tray itself. Very good device. Link to this will be in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.